Hey guys, I'm Mahan and today I'm going to show you how you can create this hat. In Farsi we call it kola shapo and in English it's called a fedora if I pronounce it correctly. So I found some references image for it. I'll put them here. Let's jump into Maya. First, create a polygon cube. Press R to scale it and make it bigger. Then press W to move it up a bit. Now select the Move tool. Right-click on the object. You'll see options like Face, Vertex, and Object. Choose Face. Select the face under the cube and delete it. Next, choose Edge Mode. If you pick an edge and hold Shift, then double-click the next edge right beside it, Maya will select the whole edge loop along that axis. For example, I select this one, hold Shift, double-click the next one. See, it selects the full loop. Now that we've selected the lower edges, hit Ctrl plus E to extrude them. This will give our shape some thickness. Whenever you create something, try to imagine the simple base shape first. If you half close your eyes, you can kind of see the basic volume, like a cube with a plane on the bottom. Compared to a reference, we still need more thickness, so adjust it a bit. Now try to make it closer to the reference. Pick top face and I'll bring it down a bit. To be more similar, now select the object and smooth it one level. So faces divided and we can have more detail. Active the symmetric on X-axis. Now if I select a vertex on the one side, automatically the opposite one is selected too. First pick the whole vertices around here and bring them down. It must be in one level with each other. If selected other two line and press R and pull Y-axis pivot, then all becomes in one level. Around the head, it's not in the same scale. It's like the head actually. Back of the head is bigger and it's smaller or compact when it comes front toward the face. Hit the Q to just select the vertices, and by W, I bring them close to center a bit. If hit B key, you activate soft selection mode, which is very helpful for this work. And if you drag mouse inner or out, so you change the area of the selection. You can spread the area actually, or decrease the area that you selected. Try to make it more like the picture. Deactivate soft selection because I want to just move this specific part down. Hit 3 to see how much it looks like that. It could be said it's going to be like that, kind of. These two parts also need to come down and sides, which are inner. Well, basic shape is good for now. Maybe it's good to add more division to work more on details. One level is enough. Now there is no more changes between 3 key and 1. Well, pick front vertices. You see, front part is down a bit. So I bring them down, and back part is higher. Let me turn off this checked surface. We don't need it here. Now continue to make it similar. See what happened here? There is a clear curve line, which is result of the sinking this area. In front is sharp, but it fade away in back. See, there is a fracture here. Move this line down. Add edge loop. Pick just back vertices. Hit B, bring them a bit higher. Careful, we need soft curve here. Refine our form. Where we have peak and fracture. Control E, add some thickness. Always pay attention to the whole shape. The front still need to be pulled together a bit. Hit one key, add an edge here. I want to make this shape. Pick faces. Go to Edit Mesh and duplicate. Here you can change the space between your original shape and the faces that you make a copy, which it doesn't need here. Select both object, freeze transformation. If you can't find it, go to Modify menu on top of the Maya and you will find it in third line. Also delete all the history, go to Edit menu, delete by type and select history. Add some thickness to the tape by Ctrl E. Hit 3 and you see it needs some edge loop. Choose head, hit H to hide the head. Select all these edges. Ctrl B and pop up this small window, Poly Bevel. By fraction, you can change the space of your edge loops. I decrease it, and segment is the number of your edges, maybe 2 or even more, but here I think 1 is enough. Hit 3 and now you see we have a great edge around the head. Hit 3 and now you see maybe it's good to have support edges for these for this edge around the head. Check from different view. Well, I think around the head need to become narrower. Select these faces, make a copy, freeze transformation, delete all the history. So it narrow in the reference. So we delete some part of it. And at the end, add some thickness. At the end, right-click on the head, go to Assign New Material, choose Lambert, and now you can change the color here. That's it. Hope this was helpful.